Hello, this is Teri from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and now also the Junk Journal Tutorials, Videos, and Projects group. So be sure to go over there and visit. This is the last days of summer, the final days of summer drawing, and we're going to have the drawing for 3 different junk journal kits, digital kits, and since this is the Sweet Pea Papers drawing and I don't have any kits, in the collaboration, you will get to pick either a kit from Suzanne over at Nonstop Papercrafts or a kit from Nathalie over at LineDotArrow. So we're giving away 3 kits, and this year we had 92 entries, and of course some of them are doubles. If you used papers from the kit in your project, then you got 2 entries for that post. If you only use the freebies, then you got 1 entry for that post. And like I said, there was 92 posts with the hashtag that were submitted by September 30th, and so that's the names and numbers that we're going to use. So here's my list. Oops, I'll print it out. Oops. All printed out, and we're going to do the drawing, and the winners I'm just going to highlight since it's the same prize, and then you'll have to get a hold of me. You can either get a hold of me by email or private message. It's Teri S. Lee, and it's TeriSlee on Messenger, and you can get a hold of me that way, and then I can let Nathalie or Suzanne know that I'm sending you their way so that you can pick out your kit. But you need to notify me first, and then I will tell you how to go over and claim your prize. Okay, so this is my calculator.net random number generator, and that's what I always use to draw for the prizes, and you can see it on the screen, sort of, kind of. Let me move the list, and then I can move this in and bring it down for you. This is my little Chromebook. I love it. Okay, so we're going to generate the first number. And the first winner is number 23, and number 23 is Candy Boyer, spelled with a K. Kandiboyer. And our second winner is number 43, and that's Stacy Merritt, Stacy Merritt. I had a feeling that you were going to win. You had so many entries. Good job. And then the third winner is number 17. All of them are on the first page. And that's Mel Cogburn, MElCogburn. So I've got all of your names highlighted. My board is sliding around. Everything is sliding around. So once again, the people that need to get a hold of me are Mel Cogburn, Candy Boyer, and Stacy Merritt. So go ahead and get a hold of me, and I'll give you the information on how to win your kit. You won your kit, on what to do to claim your kit, and then please do this within 3 days. That's much easier on me, and then we don't have to wait around for you. Now this list is not going to be posted on the in either of the groups, so you're going to have to go. You're going to have to have watched this to know. So I don't know why I even said that, because it doesn't make any difference, because you just watched the video. What is wrong with me? I just got my COVID shot, my flu shot, and my RSV shot. I think it's RSV is what it's called. All today, all at once. So that's why my voice sounds like it does, and I'm kind of goofy right now. So, or I'm kind of goofy always. But anyway, so this is for the final days of summer collaboration by Nathalie at LineDotArrow and Suzanne at Nonstop Papercrafts, and congratulations to our 3 winners. And I will see you in the next collaboration when we have our next drawing. Okay, thanks a lot, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.